Well, how's it going, folks? Are you busy? Well, I'm kind of busy. Checking out my information about this here box right here. This is the box that I did not tell anybody what's in it because it's a military secret. So this video is sponsored by Birmingham Inks and / Pens. Thank you, Nick. You're amazing at Birmingham. You rock it, my brother. Okay. Whoa. I need about 5 pills to calm me down. And just think I'm this way all the time, right?
Without drugs, no less.
Damn, man. That's like heavy, dude. You know what I'm saying? Wow. I think I'm going to go rock and roll a little bit in a minute. Okay. Well, anyway, here's the box. Oh, I'm back styling. I'm a dedicated follower of fashion. Oh, yes, I am. Yep. And what lyrics to what song does that come from? You might win some ink if you get it right. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Done roll. Here we go. All right, here we go. Well, my friends, it's been a busy day. And I hope you guys on there, wherever you may be, have had a productive day. And I want to give a shout out to Lena from Pen Boutique as well. And a shout out to Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper. And a shout out to Brian and Lisa Anderson from the Andersons, folks. And a shout out to Kevin from Fountain Pen Revolution. And don't forget a shout out to Pen Chalet. A shout out to Ghost Pot Pens. And he just goes on and on and on. So here we go. Oh, gotta have this one shout out. A shout out to Magna Carta Fountain Pens. Oh man, what a buzz. Wow. I'm really grooving today, aren't I? Well, I could be like this, or like that, or like that, or like that. Hey, there's no other. Try to imitate me, can't do it, because I don't even know what I'm going to be doing. Here we go, folks. When you order ink, depending the amount of ink you order, it comes well packed in a box. Looks just like this, okay? And you're going to get this here thing. And this is Birmingham. And it's a note. Don't call us, we'll call you. Joke, joke, joke. All right, here we go. And it's tells you a little bit about thank you, and double thank you. The care slip, and blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. And what is interesting, this paper. This is 68 GSM's Tomo River paper. May be used to test pen and ink. And this is from also Birmingham Pen Company. So maybe they're starting to put this in with their ink so you can test your ink. Kind of cool. Then you come along with another little groovy here. Thank you for your business. On the other side, it has Birmingham right there. That's pretty cool. And here we go. And you're going to get one of these. And what is cool about this is a postcard. All you need to put a stamp on there, do a little note on there. Hello, how are you to me? So if you get any postcards, you can send them to me and Mr. Announcer, and we'll take all you can send. Is that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, we will.
Huh. Well, don't send anything to him because he won't even know he has it. He treats me so bad.
Who checks the mailbox?
Huh? Okay, here we go. This dude wants to put me in the nursing home. Get out of here. Okay. Of course, I wouldn't last long in a nursing home. They think I'm making nuts.
I wouldn't do that to the staff at the nursing home.
Here we go. Yeah. All right. All right, to all my groupie friends out there, this is to y'all because I love y'all. Jeepers, creepers, where you get them peepers. How you like that? Peace and love. All right. So anyway, now we'll take off the packaging. And what I like about Birmingham pens, especially when you buy a lot of ink and stuff, it comes wrapped up like that. So you know it is safe. You know it is secure. You know it's been handled with care.
But don't worry, it is not a tamale like it looks.
If it was a tamale, I'd be eating it right now. So let's get this thing going. Because I'm sure y'all have been dying to know what's in this thing, right? And I will keep that because I'm a hoarder. And I'll let you go ahead and say that one. Get you involved here, Mr. Announcer. I hope.
Well, there doesn't appear to be a title on the box itself. So let's check
So
the
you
bottle.
have to go inside. Okay.
This one is Glass-Smith,
That's going to be cool.
which looks like it's a black of some sort.
All right.
This one is, Monongahela. I know how to say that one.
Mangahila. What?
Monongahela. It's a river.
Manangahila. Bahangahila. What?
No,
Oh. What was it again?
Monongahela.
Oh, okay, whatever. You know, he doesn't ever try to support me and say, you do a good job, Larry, because you're trying to pronounce the words. Oh, no, only him. Oh. Well, here. Managavala.
Okay, this one's interesting. The word is chrysanthemum, but they have it on 2 rows, so I don't know if that's a trick or something special or what.
Like trick or treat, smell my
Something like
feet,
that,
give me
yes.
something sweet to eat. And here's another one for you.
This one is eroded bronze.
Ooh, eroded like corroded. I can dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it with a stick. Okay, here we go again. Oh, man, you only find what's happening at Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I am the real deal, baby. I'm telling you. Ain't no other spaceman like me. This is the limited edition. Me. Me. Huh. I almost thought about pulling out my Easter basket. What do you think? I should wait?
Probably yes.
Okay, I'll wait. I do have an Easter basket. If y'all like to see my Easter basket, let me know. Because it's right up there. I always get an Easter basket. Yep. You may think I'm nuts. You might be right, but I don't give a darn. Here we go.
Summer Sweet.
La 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 la.
I think these bottles must be rather dark. I can sort of see a green maybe in this
Oh,
one.
this is a cool, interesting name.
Tea berry ice cream. Okay.
Tea-berry. Oh, right on with the right on. Okay, here we go. I love these things, man. Is that a mask?
Could be.
Oh, okay.
Makes it look like the Scarecrow from Batman.
Oh. Okay, Scarecrow. Has to be an ugly person. And this is like a this, like a that.
Antique sepia.
All right. And then, oh, thank you, Nick. You heard me.
Polar bear.
That was one I requested because I love polar bear. Actually, I love all of it. Well, 2, 4, 6. The goose drank wine. The monkey chewed tobacco on the street fall line. 7, 8. There you go. So, for all of you folks out there that's been just dying to know this ink, there it is. It's a Rinka-Dinka ink from the one and only Birmingham inks, pens, and whatever else they're going to come up with. When you think ink, think Birmingham. Ink, Birmingham, ink, Birmingham, 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 Birmingham. Got it? Cool. Well, Mr. Announcer, is that all you got to say? Like a boot up? Just what?
Well, I really don't know of anything else that I have that's important to say at the moment.
In the event, with that said, we're going to split, and then I will be showing to all you fine people out there in Larry Land. See, I'm Larry, and you're out there in Larry Land. All these beautiful, marvelous, wonderful colors that Birmingham Inks just keeps pumping out. And they make them all by hand, one at a time. Birmingham Inks. There's a new inkster in town. You got it? Wow. Folks, I got to split because I got to get ready to do another video. And some of you are thinking, well, why this? Well, remember, I first started with this. So something in here told me to do this. That's it. Peace, love, and don't text and drive. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye, folks.